Nice car. Oh. Oh, damn. That's absolutely beautiful.
Got a waterborne paint job on it. It's done out in New Jersey. I've had that 428 since 91.
Nice.
Put it in and bought it 17,000 out in New Jersey.
Nice. Yeah, on YouTube, look up Michigan Moto Cruiser.
Michigan Moto Cruiser.
Yeah, it's me.
That's you?
Yes.
MOTO Cruiser.
Uh-huh. Yeah, and this thing will show up.
This is going to show up on it?
Uh-huh.
Oh, you're taking a video of it.
Oh, yeah.
You want to get a picture of that 428?
Oh, yeah. Give me. Oh, yeah. Oh, yeah.
It says 351 on the hood, but you tell me this is a 351.
Oh, yeah.
That's stuffed right in there.
Oh, it is. Holy crap.
Master cylinder with the tablet cover.
Jeez.
You can't get no more in.
No.
Yeah.
Holy crap. Well, thank you. Oh, that's an absolutely beautiful car.
The other thing is, you go look at those tail pieces.
Right?
Them are the ones that came with it.
Oh, wow.
But you can look at about 20 of these, and you're only going to see a couple with the right tail pieces.
Right.
There's a oval chrome, oval roll right here.
Right.
Oh, these are scary. Oh, chrome oval like that.
Oh, wow.
They only put them on the 70s. The 70 model.
Oh, God.
But you look at 20 of them, 18 of them will have round pipes coming out.
Oh, yeah. Nice.
Later, big guy.
Later. Thank you.